Style text has been added to the latest version of Node. This allows you to style your console log like you would with Color.js or Chalk, or one of those packages gets bazillions of downloads because you want to style your console logs, right? So you simply import style text from the util package. Generally, we're prefixing our import specifiers with a protocol which is node:. That shows you that it's built in and it's not an external package. Now you simply pass the color, the background, the italic, the bold, anything that you want to use to style your text, to style text, and then you go ahead and console log it. If you want to do multiples, at least right now, you have to nest them inside of each other, which isn't an ideal API. It kind of gives you this, but there is already the code has been landed to be able to pass an array of specifiers. So this API is kind of still under works. Pretty cool. I do wish that it supported the console log API, which is this. If you do this in the browser, you put a %C in front of your console log. Anything that comes in the second argument here can be CSS text, like font size, background color, text decoration, font weight. All of those things can be applied to your console logs. We don't have full control over that. We don't have CSS in the terminal, but we do have most of it. And I think Dino probably does the best job at this. If you run these in Dino, you'll actually get as close as you can. It will sort of parse out the CSS and line them up, which is called the ANSI colors. Those are the colors that are available in the terminal to us. Bun does not have support for this right now, but I really would like to see everybody sort of standardize on either this or some sort of new console API, which is like console.color, and you can just pass it some CSS, and then the terminal will have to try to match it up to as close as you can. By the way, I did write the code to create every single combination of the backgrounds, and this is what it looks like.